So how do you delete apps on the Apple Watch? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. First of all, you have the ability to just grab the Apple Watch as usual and hold down on all of the icons right here. So you're going to get to this view where you can reorganize your apps, and most of them also have the little X button next to it. So when you click on it, it will ask you, like, you have to confirm it, but you have to, or you have the ability to delete it right away from your Apple Watch, just like this, right? So that's how you can remove the apps directly from the watch. However, a lot of times there are situations where you get like an application on your iPhone which you want to keep there, but it also comes with an app on the watch, right? And in order to like manage that specifically, like open up the watch app on the iPhone, and below you have a list of all of the installed apps, right? So you don't have to like delete it altogether, just click on it and uncheck the option to make it show up on the watch, right? So perhaps you want to have that distinction that it only gets, or it's only kept on the iPhone, and you don't want it to show up on the watch. This is where it gets set up, right? So you don't have to have it on all or nothing, right? That's how it works. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to find what you needed. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later. So stay tuned and I'll talk to you then.